All right, I'm not crazy about this saying, but here's the 411. Here's all the information you need to know on the new skincare that I have bought recently that I'm pretty impressed with. And the reason that I wanted to bring it to you is I don't often change up my skincare. Like if you watched my 2025 skincare roundup, there wasn't much in there. There was a couple of these products. There wasn't much in there that was new. These are 5 products that I picked up and was sent one that I really am enjoying and I'm excited about. It's hard for me to get excited about skincare because I try so much out. So when I do, I want to bring it to you, and we're going to do that right after I tell you that everything that I have on it for makeup and my shirt, my jewelry, all that good stuff will be listed and linked down below for you. And all of the products that we talk about will be linked down there for you too. Blah. Okay, let's do this. Let's start out with something that I did show in that video, and it's from Yepoda. And these are the Pore Perfect pads, and they have in them they're exfoliating rose water AHA, BHA, PHA toner pads. These are lovely. Okay, you get up in the morning and either your skin's super dry or you have a few crusties from, what you're trying to exfoliate and get rid of anyway, and you just don't look refreshed, but you want to and you're hoping to. Let me put that down because that was hard to grab, but let me show you something. As I pick this up, it's kind of just dripping off of there. These are so juicy. I love these pads, and I'm not going to waste one, but I want to tell you that one side is smoother, one side is a little bit more coarse on there, has a little bit more rough texture on there. I cut these in half, and I should have some halves in here. I cut them in half because they're so juicy. You don't need the whole one, and it's juicing all over the place. So what I do is in the morning, these are the starter things. So I will cleanse my skin, and then I'm going to go all over it with this exfoliating, and it makes my skin look so smooth, takes off all of the junkies. If you have anything that you're trying to exfoliate, and it's going to plump it up too because it has all those acids in there that are so nice for mature skin. These are great for acne as well, but the mature skin loves it because it's taking off anything that's going to flake from our retinoids or anything like that. These are great. I'm so excited about them, and they do come with a tweezer right there. I'm a finger person. I was born in the late 60s. Come on. I'm not afraid to get my fingers dirty, and I'm not afraid to dip down into anything like this. So I ordered 2 when I got these, and I'm so glad I did. And I heard about them from a girlfriend, Carrie from Graceful Beauty. If you don't follow her, you need to. She's amazing. Okay, the next few products are going to be all about Prequel. You've probably, if you follow anybody over on TikTok, you're hearing about Prequel because they have this huge thing about it. Well, I got really curious because I was hearing a lot about it even on YouTube, and got real curious about the brand. And so I thought I'm going to order a bundle and see what happens. So these are the ones from the bundle that have completely stood out to me, and I'm so glad I got. First of all is the Prequel. This is called the Multi-quench Plumping Hydrating Serum, clinically tested 48-hour hydration. Not sure about that one. 1% pure PGA, polyglutamic acid, 3% polyglutamic acid complex, and 10% glycerin, ectoin, and osmolytes. Not sure what osmolytes are, but if you have dry skin, perk up your ears. You're going to want to hear this because this is such a nice serum. Oh my goodness. Polyglutamic acid, I've been doing my research about. It's a companion to hyaluronic acid. And you know how they say that hyaluronic acid can hold 1,000 times its molecular weight against your skin? Okay, polyglutamic acid goes in with hyaluronic acid and it holds hyaluronic acid in. So it's like, okay, buddy, here you are. I'm going to hold you up against the skin, and I'm going to deliver my hydration on top of your hydration, and you are going to be so plumped up. You are going to love this. It does feel just a little tacky, which I love. A lot of people are like, oh, I want it to sink in. I don't want it to feel tacky. Not me. I want to feel a little tackiness to the skincare when I do that kind of thing, because then I know that that is really hydrating. It's something that's going to be there a while. And yeah, I am liking this serum a lot, a lot, a lot. I actually ordered another one of these. And another one that I ordered too when I ordered it is the Prequel. This one is the Retinol Renew 0.2% retinaldehyde gel. You guys, 0.2%. Come on. That's the highest that I have seen so far that you can buy over the counter without a prescription. Retinaldehyde is way better than a retinol with an OL because there's conversion processes that these that aren't the prescription strength have to do to be able to be effective on our skin. This one is one step away in that conversion process. Has that little bit of a cast of yellow, which is most of these retinoids that if they're good, they do. That's okay. I don't mind it at all. This one does sink in really, really quickly. And you know how I know this works so good is because I have to stay away from my eyes with this. You know, retinoids, they have a tendency to travel. And if you've ever used the prescription Retin-A, it definitely travels. So you do kind of stay away from the folds in your eyes. This one kind of started to do the same thing on me. So I backed off of it a little bit, which tells me that if I got a little bit of irritation, it's working so good. And I am so excited about it. I've been using this on my neck because, you know, of the loss of firmness and elasticity. Anything with tretinoin or Retin-A, retinoids, those are the things that are going to give us back the collagen, back the elasticity. They're so good for our skin because they can penetrate so deeply into mature skin and make those changes in mature skin where lots of other products can't. So if you're asking yourself, Melissa, which one of these would I do first? I would probably personally use this one. That is the Multi-quench serum in the AM, and then use this one that's the retinoid or the retinaldehyde at night. Kind of because you don't want to use this and then go on top of it with this because it can be something that helps it sink in a little deeper and you might get a little bit more irritation. They do have a weaker form of this. So if you are new to serums that are retinoids or retinaldehydes, please start off smaller. And I do have other videos on that. So start off with a smaller strength. The other product that I adore, and I was so surprised that I love this as much as I do because I'm not somebody that normally likes moisturizers, and I'll tell you why. I will only use a moisturizer at night, and I'll only use it after I do all of my skincare, and I use a lot of skincare that's very hydrating because I want it to hold in all of those serums. In the morning, I have a moisturizer that is my SPF, so I don't use an extra one. So I'm pretty picky about those at night because I want to wake up with my skin feeling a little bit tacky, a little bit bouncy. This one helps so much in holding on to all of those serums and ingredient essences, everything that you put on your skin. This one is the Prequel AM PM Modern Moisturizer Ferment Peptide Complex with, okay, so it has the fermentation, the peptides, and the ceramides in it. So the fermentation is what I talk about all the time. Lancome Genifique, Estee Lauder Night Repair, hello. And the peptides are what I talk about all the time that are the building blocks of collagen. So we need those as well. Ceramides are those super hydrators. So that's what's going to protect your skin barrier. This is lovely, lovely. I am so happy about this one. It is a fairly thick cream, as you can see right there. And it just holds everything in. And I know that not only am I getting that great hydration with the ceramides, but I'm also getting the fermentation and I'm getting the peptides. This couldn't be better in my book. I really, really love this. Just so liking it. And then the last one is one that was sent to me. And if you have been with me this year or last year, towards the end of the year, I discovered Photozyme, which are the DNA repair enzymes that actually can go in and help repair the little mutations that have gotten into our DNA that cause sun damage. This one is an after sun serum, which you can use it after sun. It's called, okay, back up, I'm getting too excited. Photozyme MD, the Reset Serum, hyaluronic acid, and the DNA repair enzymes. So you're getting the yummy DNA repair enzymes that help with the age spots and the wrinkles and the melasma and all the things that are done by the sun that cause so much damage. The lovely thing about this is it's a low molecular weight hyaluronic acid, which is awesome because lots of times hyaluronic acid can just sit on top of the skin. Yes, it does hold 1,000 times its weight in moisture, but it also can just sit there instead of going deeper into our skin. This one's going to go deeper and it's going to have the DNA repair enzymes. The other thing that is lovely about this is it's highly concentrated. So even though this is a little bit more expensive, yes, it has those DNA repair enzymes, and you only need a couple of drops. Like that's one drop of it. That would do my face, and then one more drop of it would do my neck and my décolleté. And lovely feeling serum. This is going to sink in very quickly. You're going to notice the hydration. The hydration and the slip is there, but at the same time, know that you're getting all three of the DNA enzymes, DNA repair enzymes, excuse me, that really can effect a change on mature skin, skin damage, anything like that. You can use this right after you've been in the sun too, in order to halt any sun damage that might be happening right at that minute. So that one is the last one. I'm excited about that one too, because now we have that super hydration along with those DNA repair enzymes. And I think that's wonderful. So excited about that. So can you get a theme about that? That I have dry skin and that my mature skin is very, very dehydrated. So I'm always looking for products that are going to hydrate, exfoliate, get rid of the dead yucky stuff, help with the texture, and definitely brighten my skin as I get older. So yay for the new superstars that I'm excited about bringing to you. Hope that you did get some nice information out of this video and possibly are going to try some of those. I think that you will be pleasantly surprised with any of them that you do try. If you have any questions about them at all, let me know in the comment section and I will try my very hardest to make sure that I answer those for you. I hope that you're all doing really well, and as you head on out of here today, please make sure that you take a peek at this video right here, which is all about those 2025 new skincare products that I was telling you about. Hey everybody, I hope that things are going great in your part of the world, and I hope that you come back around and see me very soon in my next video. Love you much. Goodbye, friends.